If you are a fashion designer and you're looking for a platform to sell your products, this video is for you. The secret is to join Complete Attire for increasing your revenue and selling more items. Complete Attire's fashion designer solution is a complete platform to quickly and easily market your unique products. The platform allows you to easily set up your store, design and customize clothing items, and manage inventory, all from one convenient platform. There is no need to wait for customers or cope with tedious setup procedures. Simply provide the necessary information about your items and get ready to see the orders come in. Find out how to expand your business reach today and start earning more money with less effort. See the description of the video for more details.